Beyond our world lies a realm that connects all things. Here, the creatures of ancient folklore roam. Follow their tracks. Reap the wind. Strike with your bow and ancient magic. In this place, you are both predator and prey. The Axis Unseen.